Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract their desires into their lives while others struggle just to make small changes? Today we're going to explore a powerful technique known as her secret prayer, a method that can potentially transform your ability to manifest anything. Whether you seek happiness, health, wealth, or love, this tool is designed to harness your deepest intentions and bring them to life. Her secret prayer isn't just any ordinary prayer. It is a blend of visualization, emotional richness, and spoken affirmation that, when combined, activates a powerful manifestation process. Unlike traditional prayers, this technique does not rely on specific religious or spiritual beliefs. Instead, it operates on the principle that anyone, regardless of their background, can shape their reality through focused thought and intention. This method starts with the clarity of what you truly desire. Imagine holding a crystal clear picture in your mind, feeling every emotion associated with that desire as if it has already come to fruition. Then, with conviction and passion, you articulate this desire through a spoken declaration, a prayer that aligns your emotional and mental energies with the vibrations of the universe. The essence of her secret prayer lies in its simplicity and the personal connection one develops during the practice. It transforms hopes into tangible realities by embedding your desires deeply into the subconscious mind. The subconscious then works tirelessly to align your external circumstances with your internal aspirations, often in ways that might seem coincidental or serendipitous to the casual observer. We will look into how you can prepare yourself to use this technique, understand the psychological backing behind it, and start integrating it into your daily life to see real transformative results. By the end of this video, you will not only have learned about the power of her secret prayer, but also how to effectively employ it to manifest your deepest desires into your daily reality. Stay tuned as we break down the step-by-step process and guide you through common challenges and solutions, helping you to harness the full potential of this profound tool. Throughout history, various cultures around the world have used forms of prayer and manifestation to shape their realities. This practice isn't new. It has roots that stretch back through centuries, woven into the fabric of numerous spiritual and philosophical traditions. Ancient texts and modern psychology studies suggest that the power of thought and spoken word can significantly influence our lives. Her secret prayer distills these ancient practices into a modern, non-denominational technique that anyone can use regardless of their cultural or religious background. The modern adaptations of these historical practices have emphasized understanding the psychological and subconscious elements of manifestation. This has allowed a broader range of people to apply these ancient techniques in the context of contemporary life. Her secret prayer is a perfect example of this synthesis. It takes the core principles from traditional methods and adapts them with a focus on universal human psychology and personal growth. Why does something like her secret prayer work from a psychological standpoint? It's rooted in the power of the subconscious mind. Our subconscious is not just a passive storehouse of memories. It actively influences our decisions, our reactions, and even the opportunities we notice and pursue. When you use her secret prayer, you are essentially programming your subconscious mind with a specific blueprint of what you want to achieve. The process begins with visualization, which is a well-documented tool in psychology for enhancing performance and achieving goals. When you vividly imagine achieving your desires, you're not just daydreaming, you're engaging specific neural networks in your brain that stimulate the same regions as if you were actually experiencing those achievements. This mental rehearsal primes your brain to recognize and seize opportunities that can make those visualizations a reality. The emotional intensity involved in her secret prayer amplifies the impact on the subconscious. Emotions are powerful motivators and can significantly enhance the imprint of your visualizations on your subconscious mind. When you combine clear visualization with strong emotional energy and verbal affirmations, you create a potent mix that can alter your mindset and subsequently your life trajectory. Before looking into the practice of her secret prayer, it's essential to prepare both your mind and your physical environment. This preparation is not just about comfort, it's about creating a conducive atmosphere where your mind can focus deeply and tap into the energies needed for effective manifestation. To begin, mental clarity is key. Start with meditation to calm your mind and release any lingering stresses or distractions. This doesn't need to be a long process. Even a few minutes of deep breathing can significantly clear your mental state. Focus on emptying your mind of daily worries and grounding yourself in the present moment. This mental clarity will enhance your concentration and make your visualizations more vivid and your affirmations more focused. The space where you choose to practice her secret prayer should be a quiet, private area where you are unlikely to be disturbed. It could be a small corner of your room set up with items that promote a peaceful atmosphere, like candles, incense, or soft background music. The key is to choose elements that help you feel relaxed and positive. The physical setting doesn't need to be elaborate. Simplicity often works best, as it keeps your focus on the internal process. Now that you are mentally and physically prepared, let's walk through the step-by-step process of her secret prayer. This method involves clear, structured steps that help harness your intention and channel it into the universe. Start by taking deep, slow breaths. Inhale positivity and exhale any doubts or negativity. This breathing exercise will help you reach a state of calm, making your mind receptive to the visualization and affirmation that follow. With your mind clear, begin to visualize your desire. Picture it as vividly as possible in your mind's eye. Imagine the scenario in which your desire has already come true. What are you doing? How do you feel? Who is around? Immerse yourself in the details and emotions of this visualization. Once your visualization is clear and you are emotionally connected to it, speak your prayer aloud. Articulate your desires clearly and confidently using positive present tense language as if what you desire is already happening. Infuse your words with the emotions and sensations you felt during your visualization. This step is crucial as it bridges your inner visual and emotional experiences with the external world. Finish your prayer by expressing gratitude. Thank your higher self, the universe, or your preferred spiritual entity for listening and beginning the process of manifestation. Gratitude not only seals your prayer with positivity, but also puts you in a state of receiving, which is essential for manifestation. Through these steps, her secret prayer aligns your mental, emotional, and verbal energies, creating a powerful frequency that propels your desires from the realm of thought into reality. We will discuss common pitfalls in the practice of manifesting and how to navigate these challenges effectively. Stay tuned as we equip you with tools to enhance your manifestation journey. As you start on your journey with her secret prayer, it's important to be aware of some common pitfalls that can hinder the effectiveness of your manifestation efforts. Understanding these challenges can help you navigate them more smoothly and maintain the integrity of your practice. One of the most common mistakes is inconsistency in practice. Manifestation requires a consistent effort where the technique is applied regularly to reinforce the desired outcomes in your subconscious. To avoid this pitfall, try to incorporate her secret prayer into your daily routine. Whether it's in the morning when you wake up or at night before you go to sleep, a regular schedule helps to reinforce your intentions and makes the practice a natural part of your life. Another significant obstacle is doubt. Doubt can creep in after the initial excitement wears off, especially if results aren't immediately visible. It's crucial to maintain faith in the process and the power of your intentions. Counteract doubt by keeping a journal of your visualization and affirmation sessions, noting any small changes or synchronicities that occur in your life. These records can be powerful reminders that the process is working, even in insan social fei is so good ways. The effectiveness of her secret prayer heavily relies on the emotional intensity you bring to your visualizations and affirmations. If the emotions are weak, the impact on your subconscious will be limited, reducing the likelihood of manifesting your desires. To enhance your emotional involvement, try to truly feel the emotions during your visualization as if your desires have already been fulfilled. Engaging your senses by imagining touching, seeing, hearing, or even smelling details related to your desire can deepen the emotional experience. Successfully incorporating her secret prayer into your daily life ensures that this powerful manifestation technique becomes more than just an occasional practice. It becomes a part of who you are and how you approach life. Making this method a routine can help you continuously channel your intentions into reality, fostering a life that truly reflects your deepest desires. Start by identifying a specific time each day dedicated to practicing her secret prayer. This could be early in the morning, which can set a positive tone for the day, or in the evening, allowing you to reflect on the day and focus on your desires for the future. Consistency is key as it builds a habit and reinforces the connection between your conscious desires and your subconscious mind. Maintain an environment that supports your practice. This doesn't necessarily mean a designated meditation space, although that can be beneficial, but rather any space where you feel safe, calm, and undisturbed. It could be as simple as a comfortable chair by a window or a small altar with items that hold personal significance and inspire feelings of peace and possibility. Enhance the effectiveness of her secret prayer by combining it with other positive lifestyle practices. For example, following your prayer session with a few minutes of journaling can help solidify the thoughts and emotions experienced during your session. Alternatively, integrating mindfulness practices throughout the day can keep you centered and focused on your intentions, strengthening the manifestation process. As we conclude this guide on how to use her secret prayer to manifest anything, remember that the core of successful manifestation lies in a persistent positive mindset. Manifestation is not just about achieving one-time goals, but about continually creating a life aligned with your deepest values and aspirations. Accept a mindset of abundance and positivity by actively choosing thoughts that align with the outcomes you desire. This means not only during your practice of her secret prayer, but throughout your day. Be mindful of negative thoughts and consciously replace them with positive affirmations that reinforce your belief in your ability to manifest your dreams. Gratitude plays a pivotal role in manifestation. By regularly expressing gratitude for what you already have and for the blessings that are on their way, you affirm your trust in the universe's abundance. This attitude of gratitude not only elevates your mood, but also attracts more of what you appreciate into your life. View each day as an opportunity to learn and grow closer to your ultimate desires. Stay open to new experiences and insights and allow them to guide and shape your manifestation journey. Remember, the path of manifestation is as much about the journey as it is about the destination. Remember that her secret prayer is a powerful tool, but it is your commitment, your belief, and your action that ultimately turn your dreams into reality. Keep your intentions clear, your heart open, and your mindset focused, and watch as the world opens up in ways you never imagined possible. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. May your path be filled with light, love, and success. This concludes our detailed exploration of her secret prayer. By following these guidelines and incorporating this practice into your daily life, you're well on your way to manifesting not just what you want, but also what you truly deserve.